Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. I think you didn't read the title. First off, let me explain the story. By the way, I didn't brush my hair, so that's why I'm wearing this. I was in a clothes store since I'm getting too tall and I can't find jeans. So I'm walking around. I said I want to go look at the toy, and all of a sudden I find this: a rock alarm clock. Wait, let me turn off my light. A rock alarm clock. Yes, indeed. Alright, so I'm going to show you the front right here. Here's how it looks. Alright, let me put it down a little bit for you. Alright, so it has FM radio, 8-point lights, and wake up to phrases. And one of the phrases is like this. The Rock said, know your role and shut your mouth. And on the back, we got, wake up to the sounds of the Rock. And finally, we have right here, finally the Rock has come back to wake you up. And then the People's Champ also has a radio. So, and we also have a movable arm. I'm recording. Okay. Bye-bye. That was my fault. So, let's go ahead and take this puppy out. Ooh, can't wait. I have trouble waking up, so this will surely wake me up. I'm gonna have to get some scissors, so excuse me real quick. In a clothes store. I couldn't believe I found this in a clothes store. Wow, the box is being very complicated right now. I'm gonna have to make a video called how to open a box correctly. Boom, the rock simply flies out. Now to mess with my custom scissors again. Really, WWE? course, we have the rock motion, where he could make him raise like this, and well, same thing for this arm. And the details on this is so cool. I like the details. This moves, his body moves, but of course his legs are in there. So let's try them on. Ta-da! What's up? We have that, and then the volume on the side here, and then alarm. Try to find your radio station, and then you can set it. So little sticker to show you where the time's gonna be at, and all the same, this is a great toy. I'm really impressed.
Wake you up.
Well, that's a way to make it up. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video, and hopefully I can see you for whatever I make. And this is surely a great thing. Some of the details, like his face. But all the same, this is good. And Rock, would you like to end this off?